Hey successors, it's your girl Sherri Somers, your revenue master life coach. Welcome to my channel where we teach you how to build your financial confidence using your faith, favor, and financial strategies that will increase your earning power. In this video, we're going to be talking about three amazing financial apps that I love to use to help me stay on track with my money. So come on in here. I'm excited that you're here today. And listen, I have been getting emails from you guys talking about, hey Sherri, in your last video you talk about having a bookkeeper or someone to help you with your finances as you grow your business. And that has been a struggle because you're saying, okay, maybe I can't afford someone right now, but what can I use? What kind of app can I use to grow my business or even work on my personal finance? So I'm going to tell you the apps that I use prior to me getting like a human being to take care of my finances. One of the first apps I used was Mint, right? I love Mint. Mint help you with your budget. And I think every time I look about which app should be like the number one app, everyone swear by Mint, right? Everyone swear by Mint. It updates and categorizes your transaction and it tracks your billing. So what makes Mint so, in my opinion, so helpful, you can save more money and it speed up the saving process. So what I mean by that is you can save more money because he's always looking for ways for you to giving you prompts of things that you can save. And I love that about Mint. It also, I want to it helps you to spend less because you're able to see it from a point of where you're like, okay, this is how much I have and this is how much I'm going to spend, and it categorizes your spending so you know what is what. But I love Mint. I swear by it. And I was using Mint before I actually get an actual financial person to work on my finances. As my business grow, I needed like a human being to take care of that. So I love the next one that I truly love is called Pocket Card. And Pocket Card, like entrepreneurs, y'all know what I'm talking about. So what I do I still do this with my financial coach right now. I still do it when we meet and I say, listen, tell me where we are, tell me where we are in my business. The first thing she'll tell me, she give me an allowance for myself, right? So Pocket Card is kind of like that allowance because most people want to know, how much money do I have? How much money do I have to spend? That's it. And they don't want to know anything else. Is all the bills are paid, all this are paid, after all that is out, after all my overhead costs is done, how much money can I spend? How much can I spend for the weekend? So that's what most people just want to know. So Pocket Card allows you to do exactly that. It allows you to tell you how much money do you have, or how much money do you have that you can splurge if that's what you want to do. So the main focus of Pocket Card is to really identify, to crunch numbers and to tell how much money you have available, right? So you're just there to crunch numbers and tell how much money you have available after all your main expenses are paid. So unlike Mint, it's more about, okay, here, after this is paid, this is what I got, this is what you got left. Don't go any further, don't go over, be disciplined. You know how that goes. So that was Pocket Card. And so check that out. I will have that in the description for you guys. Another one I love is my final one, Clarity Money. Clarity Money, have you ever signed up for a subscription and you forgot to cancel that subscription and then they charge you and now you're pissed off because they charge you because you wish you had canceled ahead of time but you forgot to cancel? That's what I love about Clarity Card, because it tracks your spending and it tracks your subscription. It organizes your spending and you can link it to your account. So I am guilty of that. I would get all the stuff and then I would say that I'm going to cancel it and I forget. Now I have to put in my phone to remind myself that, hey, you're going to cancel that, right? So I love Clarity Money because they'll tell you, remind you and have you say, okay, listen, this subscription need to be canceled, or here's where you are with that. So each one has a unique thing. Their unique thing is help you save more money and spend less. Pocket Card tells you how much money you actually have available, and Clarity Money, help you with your your subscriptions purchases. So it's so important. So it doesn't matter, each one each one floats your boat, doesn't matter, right? So whatever one that you think is your most important thing that you need to keep track of when it comes to your money, right? And when it comes to growing your business, or when it comes to that, it doesn't matter, pick one, but you got to make sure you're using something. You got to make sure you're using something, because when much is given, much is expected. Inside of my faith, favor, and finance Facebook group, faith, favor, finance Facebook group, inside of my faith, favor, and finance Facebook group, make sure you join us in there. I had a post in there that talks about how much money do you earn? How much money did you earn last quarter? How much money did you earn? Because if you don't know these questions as a CEO, as a business owner that you are, if you don't know these things, if you're not familiar with these things, listen, we can't call ourselves a boss if we don't know. It's important that we know at all times how much money our business is making. So this allows you not to technically have a body that you have to hire and just pay for the app, some of these apps, and then you're good to go, right? So here's where you don't have to hire someone if you're not able to pay for that amount. But having something and being disciplined to use it, because here's another thing that we do: we get these apps and we don't become disciplined. So the more disciplined we are, and we know what our money numbers, and some of you are going to say, "Sure, but I'm not making any money yet." Listen. You have a personal business. You have a business, and you have personal finances. You should be tracking your money some way, somehow. Trust me, I wasn't either, and I paid for it in the long run. So, listen, don't do what I did. So I'm trying to encourage you so you don't do all the situation I went in. Make sure you're keeping track of your money so God can bless you for more money, right? Money want to be in the hands of people who are wise and who know how to spend it wisely. So using these 3 best apps, I hope that helps you to be able to pick the right budgeting app for you in your business and in your finances, so you can know every time where all your money is going. All right, make sure you join me in my faith, favor, and finance group. It's a group teaching you how to break limited beliefs in your finances and also teach you how to build financial confidence. I'm excited about our faith finance community. Make sure you join us in there over on Facebook. All right, it's your girl, Sherri Somers, your revenue master life coach. Have a good day.